नियम 372 एक मिनट, नियम 372 के तहत आप विद्वान माननीय सदस्य विषय उठा रहे थे ना, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं आप नियम पढ़ लिया करें। हर विषय सदन नियमों से चलता है। 372 के अंदर ये नियम है कि माननीय मंत्री जी या प्रधानमंत्री स्वेच्छा से स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, और उसमें यह भी नियम है कि माननीय मंत्री जी और प्रधानमंत्री जी स्टेटमेंट के बाद कोई सवाल नहीं होता है। श्री प्रताप सारंगी
हर हर महादेव।
प्रताप सारंगी बोलिए। प्रताप सारंगी जी।
Honorable Speaker sir, I am specially thankful to you for having allowed me to participate in this discussion on demand for grants relating to Railway Department, Railway Ministry. Indian Rail is the glorious symbol of our national pride and unity. It's a symbol of our national integration. It connects the nation from east to west and north to south. This is the cheapest and most comfortable mode of travel and transport. Under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister,
जब नियमों में परिवर्तन करने हैं तो
and the leadership of our Rail Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, it is marching ahead with great speed from different angles. This is a revolutionary budget. This is a budget with a great vision and result to transform the entire railway system. Development of Railway Ministry over the next 4-5 years shall be to the tune of 4.6 trillion rupees. A very bold and ambitious development program. Expansion of the infrastructure is very strong. This budget is an inspiring document which promotes confidence and commitment, hope and aspiration, dream and potentiality. I have to thank three persons. First, our Honorable Visionary Prime Minister, under whose able guidance and leadership, our nation in general and Indian Railways in particular has reached such heights of development which any nation can be proud of. Second, our Finance Minister, whose prudence is preparing this budget, deserves special praise. Third, our Honorable Rail Minister Shri Vaishnav ji, who has worked tirelessly and put his life and soul for the transformation of our railway mechanism and translate the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister into action in greater public interest. Sir, the vision is quite clear. 50 Namo Bharat trains, 100 Amrit Bharat trains, 200 Vande Bharat trains, 7.45 billion passengers and special train services. Installation of Kavach on 10,000 locomotives and 15,000 kilometers on the railway now is going on. Around 17,500 general coaches will be added to the railway inventory going forward. Sir, Bharat Gaurav tourist trains are our pride. Now 1,400 general coaches, new coaches will be built, have been completed, which will address the problems of general class passengers. 100% electrification by the end of this financial year is a great pride for us. Sir, these new trains and modern coaches will go a long way in serving the low and middle class people. This year's budget proposes infrastructure development projects of railways to the order of 4,60,000 crore rupees. Sir, 1,16,000 crore rupees for the ensuring the safety of Indian Railways through various projects. High-speed trains with 250 kilometers by 2047 will be a reality. Sir, decentralization of power, master policy for robust dispute redressal and grievance redressal mechanism has been introduced. Construction of ROBs and RUBs during 24 was encouraging. Elimination of 718 manned LCs and construction of ROBs and RUBs up to 1024 this year is a inspiring factor. Gati Shakti multimodal cargo terminals are being developed to attach investment for industries. 50 so far 354 locations have been identified till 31st 10/24. 91 have been commissioned. the Union government's budget for the year 2025, 25 and 26 was allocated rupees 2.65 lakh crore. This included 2.52 lakh crore from general revenue, rupees 500 crore from the Nirbhaya fund, rupees 3,000 crore from internal sources, and rupees 10,000 crore from extra budgetary resources. One honorable MP praised Lalu Yadav's achievement. I am astonished. He has probably forgotten the land for jobs scam through which many incompetent persons have been recruited through unethical and illegal methods, which probably paved the way for poor management, including accidents. I propose for the extension of Jaleshwar, Chandaneshwar, Digha rail line at the earliest. What is the present status of the project? I would request the minister to state extension of rail line and services from Nilgiri to Keonjhar via Mayurbhanj, extension of railway line to Jajpur, Biraja Kshetra, which is a sacred state place of pilgrimage. New train services from Baleshwar to Mumbai and Surat. New train services to Mathura and Ahmedabad from Baleshwar. Extension of train services from Nilgiri to Puri and Calcutta. Stoppage of trains in various stations in Baleshwar, as was pre-COVID, is quite essential in greater public interest. Opening of, sir, this digitization has made revolutionary transformation in railway. Longest tunnels, highest bridges, and world-class stations have glorified Indian railways, which the Congress government could not think of. I would appeal to the Honorable Minister for the introduction of heritage trains throughout the country. I am thankful especially to the Honorable Minister for running a passenger train to my village Nilgiri. I urge upon the Minister to please expedite the development work of Baleshwar. Sir, subsidies have been given to every passenger at 46% for every decade. Besides that, for old senior citizens and Divyanga people, higher subsidies are also given. Sir, this is a revolutionary budget, and this budget has a vision to bring our country to as an advanced country, as a Viksit Bharat in 2047. With this great vision, this budget is being introduced in our parliament. I support this budget, and I urge upon all the members to support this budget. With this I conclude. Namaskar.
चलिए आप बैठिए अपने अपने सीट पे, माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब देने वाले हैं। फिर बैठिए अपनी अपनी सीट पर, किसी को मौका नहीं मिलेगा। अगर बैठेंगे तो सीट पे मौका मिलेगा। आप जाइए अपनी अपनी सीट पे बैठिए। अगर आप नहीं बोलना चाहेंगे तो 1 बजे माननीय मंत्री जी भी जवाब देंगे। आपको फिर मैं आग्रह कर रहा हूं, जाइए अपनी अपनी सीट पे बैठिए। अगर आप अपनी सीट पे नहीं बैठेंगे तो 1 बजे माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब देंगे। तैयार है आप? नहीं बोलना आपको? चलिए। श्री अजय भट्ट,
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं बहुत आभारी हूं कि मुझे आपने बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रेलवे बजट पर बोलने का मौका दिया है। मान्यवर 10 सालों में रेलवे ने पूरा कायाकल्प कर दिया है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में रेल मंत्री जी ने 100% वो कार्रवाइयाँ की है जिसका देश को जरूरत थी। मान्यवर विपक्ष क्यों पता नहीं इतना नाराज रहता है। आज नहीं 5 साल पहले और इस समय लगातार जिस किस्म से व्यवहार है वो किसी के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है और पूरा दुनिया देख रही है और पूरी तरह से देश देख रहा है कि विपक्ष के हालात क्या है।
अगर आप सीट पे
मैं इसमें इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ,
मौका दूंगा। अगर आप सीट पे नहीं
अंधेरों की साजिशें,
1 बजे माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब देंगे। आप अपनी सीट पे बैठिए। आप अपनी सीट पे बैठिए। नहीं बैठना चाहते हैं
मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता
फिर
हूं,
मैं आपको
मान्यवर
व्यवस्था दे
अंधेरों
रहा
की
हूं।
साजिशें
अगर आप सीट में बैठेंगे
रोज
तो
रोज
1
होती
बजे
है,
तक माननीय सुरेश
फिर
को
भी
मैं दूंगा।
उजालों की
नहीं
जीत
तो 1 बजे
हर सुबह होती है।
माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब देंगे।
आप कितना ही
सदन की
दबाएं,
कार्रवाई 1 बजे तक
कितना
के
ही
लिए स्थगित की जाती है।